Question number 9. The perimeter of bore well of our village is 440 centimeter. There is an equally wide stone parapet around this bore well. If the perimeter of bore well with parapet is 660 centimeter, let us write calculating that how much width of the stone parapet is. We have to find width. But in the question two things are given. The perimeter of bore well of our village is 440 centimeter. First I am showing you first part. Okay, so now what is bore well? One well is there. Okay, suppose that this one is well. Okay, bore well. Okay, and its boundary is 440, means this is bore well and its boundary is 440. So I have written here question number 9. Perimeter of bore well is 440. Perimeter formula, because it is in which shape? Circle shape. You can write 2 pi r equals to 440. So in place of pi I am writing 22/7, then r, and then you will get r value as a 70 centimeter. Now after that, read the second part of the question. There is an equally wide stone parapet around this bore well. So around this bore well there is one parapet, means there is one they are surrounding by stone, and when they are surrounding by stone, then its perimeter is 660. Okay, 616 it is written. There is an equally wide stone parapet around this bore well. If the perimeter of bore well with parapet, means bore well with parapet, is 616 centimeter. So what I have done here, perimeter of bore well with parapet is 616. I am taking radius as a r because I have already told you if you have two radius you can take capital R also. I have taken small r here and now I am taking capital R so that we will not get confused. Okay, so 2 pi r equals to 616. Again you will put the value r, you will get 98 centimeter. Now they are asking that let us write by calculating that how much width of the stone parapet is. They are asking width. Okay, means they are asking this part, this one. How much you will get this one? Means if this is the bore well, radius you are getting how much? 70. When you are doing surrounding by stone, then radius is, now this radius is how much? 98. They are asking only this one. Okay, so what we will do, we'll subtract 98 by 70. So what I have done, I am subtracting capital R minus small r. 98 minus 70, you will get 28 centimeter. Okay, question number 10. Niyamat Chacha of village attaches motor's wheel with a machine wheel by a belt. So what Niyamat Chacha is doing, attaches motor wheels with a machine wheels by a belt. The length of a diameter of a motor wheel is 14 centimeter and machine wheel is 94.5 centimeter. If motor's wheel revolves 27 times in a second, then let us calculate how many times the machine's wheel will revolve in an hour. Again here it is given in second and here it is given in hour. We have to convert it. Okay, be careful. So first of all there is two wheel. This is machine wheel and this is motor wheel. Okay, motor wheel diameter is 14. So I have written diameter of motor is 14 centimeter. If diameter is 14, what will be radius? Radius is half, means divide by 2. 2 ones are 2 sevens are 7 centimeter. If radius is 7 centimeter, circumference of motor will be 2 pi r. So I have written 2 into 22/7 in place of r 7 because I am getting the value. I am getting 44 centimeter. Now this is machine wheel whose diameter is 94.5 centimeter. If diameter is 94.5 centimeter, what will be its radius? 94.5 divided by 2. I am not solving this one because it is in decimal, that is why I am keeping like this only. Circumference of machine wheel will be 2 pi r. So again 2 pi value is 22/7, r 94.2 by 2. Okay, please, I forgot to write this one, please write it. Okay, now you will get, when you will solve this one, please solve it, you will get 297 centimeter. Okay, So total revolution of motor, how many times motor is revolving? You can see motor wheels is revolving how many times? 27 times. It is written, if motor wheels revolves 27 times in a second, okay, in 1 second it is revolving 27 times. Okay, so total revolution of motor is 27 times. So total distance covered in 1 second is 27 into 44. Why 44? Because distance of a motor wheel we are getting 44. Distance means circumference, we are getting this much. When you will multiply, you will get 1188. Now we have to find number of revolution of machine in 1 hour, not 1 second, but we have to find first number of revolution of machine in 1 second. Okay, so how you will find? There is a formula, distance covered by motor by distance covered by machine. So what is the distance covered by motor? 1188, and distance covered by machine is only 297. Okay, when you will divide, you will get 4 times, but we are finding in 1 second and they are asking in 1 hour. In 1 hour means how many seconds? 3600 seconds. So I have written number of revolution of machine in 1 hour means 3600 second. 4 into 3600 second, when you will multiply, you will get 14400. Okay, so up to here I have done. Now homework is question number 11, 13, 14. Complete it. Okay, thank you.